A worn-out gasket is a small problem that can cause big issues. Luckily, the Gasket Boss makes it easy to replace them. To get started, put the bottom roller in the right adjustment hole for the width of your door. You'll know it's right when the Gasket Boss is at a 45 to 60 degree angle when placed on the door. When installing a brand new gasket, first install each of the 4 corners by hand. Now it's time to use the Gasket Boss. Place the Gasket Boss in the center of the gasket on one side, with the adjustable roller on the gasket side and the stationary roller on the outside. Check to make sure that the gasket dart is lined up with the slot on the door, and then use slight pressure to install the gasket. Work up and down the gasket until the entire side is installed. If the Gasket Boss doesn't fit on the hinged side of the door, use just the stationary roller to install on that side. After you've installed all 4 sides, use your finger to check the edge of the gasket to make sure it's secure. And you're done. The standard Gasket Boss is ideal for most refrigerators, but if you have a large gasket job for a walk-in refrigerator, go for the Gasket Boss XL. Find them both at etundra.com.